Hello, today we have a Razer Deathadder V2 with us. The mouse had problems with the scroll, like if you scroll up, it goes down, if you scroll down, it goes up. A typical Razer mouse problem. Even though the Razer mice has changed the mechanical switches to optical switches for quite a lot of mouse, but the scroll encoder, it's a disaster. It's a very big disaster. Like if you want to use Razer mouse for quite some years, it would be better to upgrade to a good encoder. Like we will be installing TTC Gold dustproof encoder. It has 75 million life cycle and dustproof as well. So you will be set for some years. Okay, let's go into opening up the mouse. It is a very easy disassembly. Open up the skates, then open up the screws, open up the PCB screws. Yeah, that's it. Then we need to change the encoder, desolder and solder it basically. Not gonna take much time. Soldering the 5 pins. Done. It is a bit tricky. Not exactly, not tricky, but I don't know why I was struggling with the wire. It was tough to reroute it. It's easy, trust me, it is easy, but I don't know why I was struggling with it. It's gonna take some time. Screwing it up. That was an easy fix. There's another screw for the LED of the scroll. All done, and ta-da!